So
You're getting
le-
better?
yeah, I'm getting better, but I had I had been sick for a few days, so I haven't yet pushed the updated Docker image, and we'll push it tonight, I think. So the main difference
Nice.
would be the logs that would have the like individual transfers when the option is selected,
That's nice.
and other things that Kilare posted to me, like in peer-to-peer fashion. So, Kilare, could you take a look at the Trello board so that
Yeah.
I would know that some of the bugs that I marked as like done are really done, or there are some stuff I still need to fix? And the last but not least, how was the node running for you guys? Any problems, or it was all fine and dandy?
I haven't found any issues with it, except those ETH logs are missing, but other than that, I haven't found anything to
Mm-hmm.
report. So it has been working very well.
Perfect, thank you. Have you got the ability to test the blobs?
No, I haven't done that yet. Sina was supposed to provide me some way to test that, but I guess he has been busy.
Yeah. Sorry, what was I supposed to do?
Uh, there was some discussion about when is the ETH RPC moved to the new fork or the new upgrade,
Aha, yes,
and
yes, yes.
then I was thinking that that's the easiest way to test it if the project is moved to the new update, and then I can just update to that.
Yeah, so basically we wanted to test if what happens if we switch all the Hive tests to CanCon, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would imagine that's something that needs to be done anyway.
Yeah, I guess so. I guess so.
And I would imagine that those aren't those being run with the Cancun anyway. I don't know if the RPC methods have been tested with the Cancun or if people have been assumed that they just work, I guess.
I guess so. I mean, there shouldn't be much of a difference anyway, but it's good to flip it. Yeah, I agree.
Can you reach out to the project for that and ask about it?
Yeah.
Nice. But I guess in general, those RPC tests are done so that every node are testing themselves, and there's no that kind of like one way to test them all except the test RPC or the
Yeah.
Hive tests. Yeah.
Last week we also discussed something else that now I remember I had to take a look. Wait, what was it? It was about validation.
I don't remember now.
There was a question from Oleg. Oh God, what was it?
I think these are recorded, and then there's some text transcripts somewhere, but I don't know where they are or where they
Yeah.
exist.
Yeah. At some point I was getting emails about it, but then since we moved to Zoom, then not anymore.
Yeah, I sadly don't remember exactly as I had too many drugs.
Sounds good. Well, I think it was about validating gas price. Well,
Did we was it that when the gas price is missing, then what is the assumed value? And then we decide that we just keep it 0. So if you have the validation mode, then it will just
yeah,
fail. And
yes.
it's yeah.
And then we also talked about base fee. I guess it's better if I just take a look at the notes.
But if you can find the notes and you can share them as well. I don't know how well they work. If they are trained to understand Ethereum talk or it's just general notes. Well, I guess we don't have anything else.
Yeah, I guess we should ask Tim about the notes.
Yeah.
I don't have anything.
You mean the ones that are allegedly auto-recorded and saved somewhere?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tim would probably be the right person. Alternatively, the Cat Herders Discord server, if any of you guys are in there, I think they're the ones who actually manage this stream.
Right. Okay.
Oleg, how far do you think we are in getting that to mainnet so that has someone been reviewing your code at the same time so that it's kind of like most of it's reviewed already?
Yeah, it was reviewed once by Lukasz, and currently he is doing the second pass. So we'll do the fixes after his review, and we'll need one more reviewer, and I think after that will be manageable.
Have you looked at those
Lukasz,
block hashes yet? Do we match on those yet?
not yet, sadly not.
Are there many other things that there's differences between Get and Nethermind at the moment?
No, it doesn't look like there is anything but the stuff that we can assume will be kept different, I think. So it's basically mostly about when we merge it to the main trunk.
But what are something that we agree that there's different in the validation mode? I think there's can be differences, but I think with the hashes, I think there should be matching. If they are not matching, then I think we should understand why they are not matching and then discuss about those.
Yeah, I agree with that.
There can be something that we don't really care about, but I think those hashes are also a very good test to check that things are working as we assume. But of course, they can be a bit harder to debug, but it would be nice to understand why they are different.
Yeah, I will look this week at that and debug why we have different hashes.
But yeah, first probably should get the output to match exactly, and then if everything matches except the hashes, then we need to figure out what's wrong with there. I guess there can be some receipts or something that we are not showing that can be different.
Yeah, we'll look into it.
Yeah, I think once everything else is resolved, maybe me and Oleg can have a session where we just like dump the blocks and compare.
Yep.
Yeah, try
Sounds good.
to figure out if this is the state route or this is receipt route or transaction route or anything else, right? That's the
Yep.
first step, and then go from there.
The second thing would be the route modification on the desire of users. So when we get a new update to the block passed to us, the ordering might be important, the way we commit updates to the state when we are given a set of updates that are required from us.
What updates you mean that when we are
For
replacing balance
example,
or
yeah, when you replace the balance or add a
No, it shouldn't
contract.
make a difference. It shouldn't really make a difference. The state route should be the same regardless of the order.
Nice.
I guess there's only the difference that those should be set before the transactions are being executed. And I would imagine that's the case for the both of the nodes.
Yeah.
Has Lucas had time to look at the validation stuff?
Nothing more than what we discussed previously. So that was the main one probably.
Actually,
Oleg, did we?
sorry, Lucas, do you remember what was the question? Because I remember there was something that I had to look up, but I forgot. Yeah.
We were discussing the lack of gas, and you were saying that you're setting gas price to 0. That's what I remember.
Yes.
But
And
yeah,
after
here
that,
my
we had-
memory is.
yeah. Like I'm trying to join the cat herders Discord. Somehow I'm not managing. If somebody's in there and can invite me, that would be nice.
Yeah, I can send you an invite. Also, I just asked Pooja if she knows. I don't know when she'll see it, but
Okay. Yeah, awesome. Thanks.
I'll get you an invite as well. Okay, I just pasted an invite link in chat in this Zoom room.
Do we have anything else? I guess somebody can take a ball with that and look at the logs when we get them, and then kind of ask the question again on the chat. I guess we are done for today.
Yep. Thanks,
Yeah.
guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, everyone. Bye.